Welcome to Celebrity Investing, your go-to source for insights, tips, and updates on navigating the exciting landscape of personal and global finance. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content. In Part 2, we'll walk you through how to invest in Ethereum, keep your assets secure, and earn passive income through staking, protecting your investment. Audit smart contracts. Verified projects publish audits, but not all do. Stick to platforms with third-party reviews. Use hardware wallets. Keep ETH offline to avoid exchange hacks. Watch for scams, fake tokens, phishing sites, and rug pulls target inexperienced investors. Security requires vigilance. One mistake can wipe out your holdings. Other key risks to consider. Ethereum's challenges go beyond regulation and security. Volatility. ETH's price swings fast, sometimes 20% in a day. Market sentiment shifts on news, upgrades, or macroeconomic trends. If you panic sell, losses multiply. Tech delays. Ethereum 2.0 promises big improvements, but upgrades take time. Network congestion and high gas fees could linger if scaling solutions stall. Competition. Rival blockchains offer faster transactions and lower fees. Ethereum's dominance isn't guaranteed long-term. Understanding these risks helps you invest smarter, not just bigger. How to invest in Ethereum. A step-by-step guide. Now that you understand Ethereum's potential and risks, let's get practical. Investing in ETH involves choosing a wallet, picking an exchange, and deciding whether to stake for passive income. Here's how to do it right. Choosing the right wallet for Ethereum. Your wallet is where you'll store ETH securely. Each type has trade-offs in convenience and security. Hardware wallets, Ledger, Trezor. These physical devices keep ETH offline, ideal for long-term holders. They resist hacking but cost $50 to $200. Software wallets, MetaMask, Exodus. Free browser or desktop apps for easy access. Great for trading or DeFi, but riskier if your device gets hacked. Mobile wallets, Trust Wallet, Coinbase Wallet. Convenient for on-the-go use. Some support staking directly from your phone. Hot tip. If you hold significant ETH, split it between a hardware wallet for savings and a software wallet for active trading. Best exchanges to buy Ethereum. Exchanges simplify buying ETH with cash or other cryptocurrencies. Compare these top platforms. Coinbase. Best for beginners. Simple interface, but higher fees, 1.5%, 4% per trade. Kraken. Lower fees, 0.16%, 0.26%. Strong security and staking options. Binance. High liquidity and low fees, 0.1%, but regulatory concerns in some countries. Key security practices. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Withdraw ETH to your private wallet after buying. Don't leave it on the exchange. Staking and earning passive income with Ethereum. Staking locks up ETH to secure Ethereum's proof-of-stake network. In return, you earn rewards, currently 3 to 5% annually. Here's how to start. Stake through an exchange. Platforms like Coinbase or Kraken handle the technical work for a small fee. Use a staking pool. Join services like Lido or Rocket Pool to stake small amounts, under 32 ETH. Run your own validator. Advanced users can stake 32 ETH directly on Ethereum's network for maximum rewards. Staking isn't risk-free. Your ETH is locked until withdrawals are enabled in future upgrades. Still, it's a solid way to grow holdings without selling. Next steps. Decide your investment strategy, set up security basics, and start small to test the waters. Long-term outlook for Ethereum investors. Ethereum's future hinges on its ability to scale while staying secure and decentralized. Investors should watch two big factors: how well Layer 2 solutions solve congestion and whether Ethereum can outpace competitors. Let's break down what's ahead. The role of Layer 2 solutions in Ethereum's future. Ethereum's biggest challenge is handling more users without skyrocketing fees. That's where Layer 2, L2 solutions come in. These systems bundle transactions off-chain before settling them on Ethereum's mainnet. Think of L2 as adding express lanes to a busy highway. Key L2 innovations driving Ethereum's growth. Optimistic rollups, Arbitrum, Optimism. These process transactions cheaply, assuming they're valid unless proven otherwise. They cut fees by up to 90%, but have a 7-day withdrawal delay. ZK rollups, ZK Sync, Starknet. Zero-knowledge proofs verify transactions instantly with no delay. More complex, but faster. Sidechains, Polygon. Independent blockchains linked to Ethereum, offering low-cost alternatives for gaming and payments. Adoption is growing fast. Over 5% of Ethereum's transaction fees now come from L2s, and DeFi platforms like Aave and Uniswap support them. If this trend continues, Ethereum could keep its dominance without sacrificing speed or affordability. Ethereum versus competitors. Who will win? Solana, Cardano, and Binance. Smart Chain, BSC, all promise faster or cheaper transactions. But Ethereum's strengths go beyond raw speed. Here's how they stack up. Solana handles 50,000 transactions per second, TPS, versus Ethereum's I-30 by hours TPS. But Solana's centralization, fewer validators, and past outages raise reliability concerns. Cardano uses peer-reviewed research for security, but its slow development frustrates users. Few major dApps run on it yet. BSC, cheap and fast, but controlled by Binance. Centralized chains risk censorship, like when BSC froze funds after a hack. Ethereum's edge? Developer loyalty. Over 4,000 active dApps run on Ethereum versus 700 on Solana. Its ecosystem includes stablecoins, NFT marketplaces, and DeFi giants, making it harder for users to switch. Experts predict Ethereum will stay ahead if L2 rollups keep improving. Ethereum's roadmap targets 100,000 TPS eventually. Staking rewards attract long-term holders. Over 22% of ETH is already staked. Competitors struggle with security or decentralization trade-offs. The bottom line? No blockchain does everything perfectly. Ethereum's blend of security, decentralization, and a thriving ecosystem makes it the safest bet for long-term investors, as long as it keeps evolving. Ethereum stands out with its real-world utility. Smart contracts, DeFi, and NFTs give it staying power beyond speculation. But remember, it's not without risks. Volatility, security flaws, and regulatory shifts can shake up your investment. Before jumping in, do your homework. Research wallets, compare exchanges, and understand staking if passive income interests you. The more you know, the smarter your decisions will be. Ready to explore further? Check out Ethereum's official resources or dive into community discussions. The crypto space moves fast, but solid facts keep you ahead. Stay tuned and continue to watch our videos to gain valuable insights into the world of finance. Subscribe, like, and share to continue your journey to financial success.